This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Let's see, today's the 13th?
What date, baby?
14th? 14th, okay. I've been corrected, as usual. I thought Monday was the 12th. Oh no.
Yes, it was. 12, 13, 14 is Wednesday.
Yeah, yes it is. 14 is Wednesday. And look who's coming. Look who's coming. Charlie! Charlie, baby! Hi, sweetheart. Hi, honey. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Oh, my little budgie. Hey. Hey, good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. He does a little eggy. An egg. Sausage. And the budgie. How's that? How's that, good boy? Good boy, Charlie. You take sausage? Take sausage for you? He's a good boy? Is the mama's good boy? There you go. Okay. There goes our Charlie. Was not able to get a picture of him, though. I wanted to switch off the video and get a picture of Charlie up close, but I tried to aim the camera. Hopefully I got him on the camera. Tonight we have birds. This last night and this morning there were hardly any birds, so I don't know what to say. Now we have some birds, which is great. So I'm very, very worried with this stupid hay-filly people. Put this out for the seagulls. Looks like Seymour's here. We have onlookers here. Really don't want them in my video, but what are you gonna do? Okay. We'll put some of this down. Oh, I have some apricots in there. Organic. Those are the ones I was talking about that taste so pasty. Got some eggs in here. There we go. We'll save the rest in case Charlie comes back. All right. It looks like we have the storm gull and we have the silver gulls. There we have. You hear that? We have 4 pair of gulls. Yep, I better go. They're getting too scared. They're a little bit shell-shocked from these people. I used to be able to take video of them up close, but not right now. But you can hear them behind me. There you go. Oh, and it looks like there's 3 of the storm gulls and 4 of the silver gulls. Look, that's Seymour. Seymour always lets that call out. And our little crows. I think he lets that out. He's very happy. Look at him. I think I should have probably put more eggs in there. Oh, look at that. Look at Seymour. Look at Seymour going after storm gull. Look at that. But the storm gull's going after the crows. He's protecting his little feeding station. Look at that. Look, making all that noise, he forced all the other gulls to leave. Look at that. Look. Wow, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, our crows got a good portion this morning, so there were no gulls around. But it seems in the evening is when the gulls are turning up. So the gulls won't eat the apricots, but the other birds will. I took out the seeds from apricots and apples and nectarines and all of that have traces of cyanide in them, and they're not good. They're not good for the birds. So I take all those seeds out. So, and also grape seeds. I only get seedless grapes. So, and if I have any I want to throw away, they're looking a little peaked. And sometimes when it's very, very warm, I just, split them. We eat half of the grapes and the birds get the other half, because it's impossible to put any water on the field, because the next day the container's gone every time. So it's like that every time. Look at that Seymour. Look at that Seymour over there. Oh, wow. Did you see that? Did you see him attack that other gull? Wow. Never saw Seymour get violent. Look at that. Well, we're going to let our we'll put this back in the car here. And I think we'll let our little crows. I'm going to end my video right now. Nope. Lost my bag here. Our little crows. Last look at our field. I was hoping Charlie would come back, but Charlie had a good portion this morning. He just didn't take everything. Anyway, we got to get him. We have to do something. So, well, it looks like Seymour got what he wanted. I'll be putting out more eggs tomorrow. I don't know, I'm looking at these clouds here. We could get some rain tonight. I don't know if you can see that in the background there. Look at those clouds. So, anyway, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, over and out. Have a nice evening, and talk to you tomorrow. See if we can get some more close-ups and a picture that I can send to the Bollier, since the animal hospital said that if I had a crow to be euthanized, I could bring it there. Otherwise, they don't save crows, or they don't do that. Not crows. So that's a throwback to the power of the farmers here in Switzerland, who, even though the crow population are all in decline, any bird that lays eggs or across the board are in the decline here in Switzerland, including crows, including hawks, crows, blackbirds, any blue jays. I don't think they have blue jays here, but any birds indigenous that lay eggs here in Switzerland are on the decline. So, but the farmers don't care. They want to wipe each and every one out. Shopping centers want to wipe them out. Obviously, local businesses and sometimes churches want to wipe them out as well. So, yeah, they got a tough road, the crows. And even though they're the second smartest animal on the planet, we're number 1 and they're number 2. And they stand alongside the chimpanzee. So people don't want to believe it, don't want to acknowledge it. You give them the information and they're just in denial. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to end this video now, and give them a chance to finish up eating this off the parking lot here. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, wishing you a great evening, and you'll be hearing from me tomorrow.